Yes, today we are going to start, see our another chapter, 15, pollution in environment. We know nowadays a lot of pollutions are there. That's why इस दीपावली पर हम लोगों ने बिल्कुल पटाखे नहीं छोड़े थे due to corona. All of you know very well. So dear children, today we are going to discuss our chapter pollution in environment. So what are our learning objectives? Write down what are our learning objectives. You will be able to understand. You will be able to understand first what is air pollution. What is air pollution? Then what are the effects of air pollution? What are the effects of air pollution? How can we control air pollution? How can we control? Write down everything. How can we control air pollution?
Good morning, sir.
How is water pollution caused? How is water pollution caused? These are the main topic. What are the effects of water pollution? Water pollution, why it is caused? Why it is caused? And what are the effects of water pollution that we are going to learn? And how is water purified? How is water purified? So these are the some important points to be learned in this chapter. Write down everything. Learning objectives. These are our learning objectives. Here. तो सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे एयर पोल्यूशन, इफेक्ट ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन. Now, dear children, today our topic that is air pollution. Our topic is air pollution. First of all, I want to tell you, what do you mean by pollution? What do you mean by pollution? What is that? Our topic name pollution. The contamination of air, water. Write down the contamination of air, water, soil that are harmful to living things. जैसे हमको अगर कोई चीज नुकसान पहुंचाती है, that is called pollution. That is called, बोलो,
Pollution.
very good, लिख लो. The contamination of air, water, soil by substances that are harmful to living. Nowadays you can see in our India, in our Rajasthan, in our Chittorgarh, in our native place, everywhere, near our residence, pollution increases regularly due to vehicles. First, we can say due to industries all over near about this. Everywhere, pollution occurs and can be considered a byproduct of technological and industrial advantage. जैसे जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ रही है, advancement of technology, advancement of industries, pollution increases. We also have a pollution department in our India, in our Rajasthan, in our Chittorgarh districts. But a very few people are obeying the rules and regulation of pollution department. That's why we are getting a huge problem of pollution. We can see the vehicles of very old model. उनसे हम देखते हैं कई बार बहुत धुआं निकलता है. That old vehicles are not allowed in the market, but some persons, they are not obeying the rules. They are ready to pay penalty, and they are taking their vehicles in the market and pollution generate. That is very bad habit. अगर आपको ऐसा दिखाई देता है तो एक जागरूक नागरिक की जैसे आगे बढ़कर उसको रोकिए, handed it over to the police. Okay, it is wrong. Due to this, a lot of public faces the problems of pollution. Is it clear? समझ में आया बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pollution of
Yes,
air and water are very important issues affecting our lives today. हमारे जीवन को दो मेन बातें बहुत टच कर रही है, pollution of air and pollution of water, that we are going to learn in this chapter. Pollution of air and water. So the consequences of air and water pollution are being felt in all over the world. The effect of air pollution and water pollution are affecting our lives. हमारे जीवन को बहुत खतरे में डाल रही है. That we are going to learn in this chapter. So we have to control, we have to prevent the pollution. We have to control the pollution. It is the duty of all the citizens of our India, all the citizens of our Chittorgarh, all young generation, they all are responsible for pollution. So my dear children, today is our topic, that is called air pollution. Today's our topic is air pollution. Write down the topic name, air pollution. The atmosphere is a complex, dynamic and natural gaseous system that is essential for supporting life on the earth. अगर हमको अर्थ पर जीना है तो we require atmosphere. Pure air contains, लिखो pure air, write down, pure air contains nitrogen, oxygen and various inert gases. Nitrogen N2 लिखते हैं उसको, oxygen O2 and other gases, inert gases जो काम नहीं करती, aqueous gases in a definite proportion are available in air. कई सारी gases available है हमारे air में, जिसमें main है nitrogen, oxygen. Pure air is rarely found nowadays, but इतनी gases होने के बावजूद भी we see that nowadays pure air are not possible in city. If you stand 1 hour at electric Chittorgarh, you feel that lot of pollution are there. Mansi Meena,
Yes, sir.
बंद करो. Yes. Now, so we cannot survive in the life of huge pollution. So now, dear children, Nico, there are many harmful substances. There are many harmful substances available in the atmosphere. There are many harmful substances are available in the atmosphere. They are called pollutants. They are called pollutants. They are called pollutants. Harmful things which are available in the universe, in the atmosphere. They are mixed in these gases. These pollutants are mixed in these gases here. these pollutants are mixed in gases. So mixing of these harmful, देखो mixing of these harmful and undesirable substance the harmful and undesirable substance in the air results. सही हम क्लास से बाहर करूं आपको? Yes. So dear children, these harmful substances which are mixed with these gases, they are called pollutants. So mixing of these harmful substance, लिखो, mixing of these harmful substance and undesirable substance in the air are called pollution. Worldwide, the pollution affects our health. Organism of our health, हमारे को बहुत नुकसान होता है, श्वास लेने में हमको प्रॉब्लम होती है. So I can say pollution is the introduction of pollutants. देखो, pollution is the introduction of pollutants, that is chemical substance, noise, heat, light. लिख लो, मैं लिखा रहा हूं, आपको लिखिए. Pollution is the introduction of pollutants, chemical substance, noise, heat, light, into the environment. ये सब क्या करते हैं? environment में मिक्स हो जाते हैं, which results in harmful effects to our health and harm living resources, and our ecosystem also disturbed. That is called pollution. क्या कहलाता बच्चों?
Pollution.
Very good.
Pollution.
Yes. तो लिखो एयर पोल्यूशन क्या होता है? राइट डाउन एयर पोल्यूशन की डेफिनेशन लिखिए. व्हाट इज एयर पोल्यूशन? Is a chemical, physical or biological modification. It is a chemical, air pollution is a chemical, physical or biological modification in the natural characteristic of the atmosphere. एटमोस्फियर में कई सारे चेंजेस आ जाते हैं इन एयर ड्यू टू दिस डस्ट पार्टिकल. और ये सारे डस्ट पार्टिकल कौन प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है? हम लोग, विद आवर व्हीकल्स. हमारा भी पूरा रोल है. कई बार हम पटाखे, इस बार नहीं छोड़े दीपावली पे, ड्यू टू क्रैकर्स, नॉइज पोल्यूशन, एयर पोल्यूशन, वो सब जाएंगे कहाँ? एटमॉस्फेयर में. और दैट विल अफेक्ट आवर हेल्थ. Some of the pollutants are gases in state like that of carbon dioxide, CO2. Some of the pollutants are gases in state like carbon dioxide. देखो carbon dioxide CO2, carbon monoxide CO. These are also pollutants available in the air. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. While some are in solid form, these are in gaseous form. But some are in solid form, such as carbon particles, dust particles, these are also pollutants available in the air. कुछ gases form में होते हैं, कुछ solid form में होते हैं, ये solid form में, ये gases form में. Pollutants vary in concentration around the world. अगर हम जंगल में चले जाएं या हिली एरियाज में चले जाएं तो वहां पॉल्यूशन बहुत कम होता है, बिकॉज देयर आर नो इंडस्ट्रीज, नो व्हीकल मूवमेंट, ज्यादा व्हीकल मूवमेंट नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई पॉल्यूशन इज लेस. हिल स्टेशंस फील्स क्लीनर, एरियाज विच आर फार फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्रीज. आप गांवों में चले जाएं, एरियाज विच आर फार फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्रीज, वहां आपको बहुत अच्छी अच्छी हवा आएगी, ठंडी ठंडी हवा आएगी. और यहाँ पर चित्तौड़ में in all over the site a lot of industries are there, factories are there, they are producing pollution that is very harmful for us, that are very harmful for us. So what are the sources of air pollution? लिखिए sources of air pollution. Sources of air pollution. Write down. The sources of air pollution are natural sources. First, natural sources. Air. तो हमारी वजह से ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज और वी कैन से नेचुरल फिनोमिनन both results in air pollution. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, ये इसमें क्या होता है बताएं. लिखो नेचुरल सोर्सेज, सम हार्मफुल गैसेज आर रिलीज ड्यूरिंग नेचुरल प्रोसेस. सम हार्मफुल गैसेज आर रिलीज ड्यू टू द नेचुरल प्रोसेस leading to the pollution of air. So what are that? Wildfire release large amount of smoke. कई बार जंगल में आग लग जाती है. लिखो वाइल्ड फायर्स, राइट डाउन. फर्स्ट ए, वाइल्ड फायर्स release a large amount of smoke and carbon monoxide. It is a very dangerous and risky gas है बच्चों, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, जिसका फॉर्मूला मैंने अभी भी आपको बताया था, CO. So that are released here. Volcanic activity produce sulfur, chlorine, ash. You can see the figure in your book. Wildlife, volcano, they are the natural sources. और एक और है बच्चों रेडोन गैस. The radon gas is released during the radioactive decay with the earth. रेडियोएक्टिव एक रिएक्शन होती है बेटा, हायर क्लासेस में पढ़ेंगे. ऐसे ऐसे केमिकल्स नेचर में अवेलेबल हैं जो बड़े बड़े पॉल्यूशन रिलीज करते हैं. दैट इज वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर अस. So these are the natural resources. And second one, human and industrial sources. Because second one, human and industrial sources. Human and industrial resources. The burning of different kind of fuels. जो हम व्हीकल चलाते हैं, burning of different kind of fuels results in the emission of pollutants. जैसे stationary sources like power plant, factories, refineries, they are produce pollution. तो फर्स्ट लिखिए power plants, due to power plants. Second, mobile sources like automobiles, airplanes, हमारे vehicles, automobiles. Other sources, burning of wood, burning of coal, all are produced pollutions. Deforestation is also one of the major cause. हम जंगल से कई सारे पेड़ काट रहे हैं, वो कहलाता है deforestation. It is also the major cause. So here are the two major causes. We can see that is SPM. Write down. Suspended particulate matter. SPM means suspended particulate matter. These are small solid particles released from vehicle. ये vehicles से निकलते हैं बच्चों बाहर. Vehicles release this by factories during incomplete burning of fuels. It contains harmful chemical components such as lead, nickel. All are very harmful for us. That is called suspended particulate matter. These can be seen in cities. These can be seen in cities. That is called SPM. उसके बाद बच्चों एक होते हैं क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन, CFC. लिखो क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन or aerosols. These are chemicals that have been found to harm the ozone layer. ये ऐसे केमिकल्स हैं जो हमारी ओजोन लेयर को भी डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं. So they are very harmful for us in our country. These type of gases are used in refrigerator, spray cans. You can see the figure of spray can. वो शू करते हैं ना अपन. That is spray cans. So all are these due to we are getting pollutions. Okay. Write down, prepare notes. कल हम पढ़ेंगे effects of air pollution. Is it any problem? Then ask. Yes. Yes. दर्शिल अटेंडेंस भेजना बेटा. Hello. Yes, okay. Dear children.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.